Back to our channel, mga Kutey.
Welcome back.
If you're new to our channel, welcome to Blue and Pink. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and pa-turn on na din po ng notification bell niyo para lagi po tayong updated sa mga new
Videos.
Our vlog for today is
We're picking some cherries.
we're gonna cherry picking.
Binaliktad lang eh.
And we're with our friends, mga Kutey friends. And also, we're gonna do mukbang later after cherry picking. So, join us, guys.
Hi.
How do we cherry pick? Just pick the cherry.
Yeah, just like that. Remove the wrinkled ones.
Oh, looks yummy.
Because if you remove it without that stem, it's gonna bleed.
Oh, okay.
And then you gotta eat it soon.
Is it sweet?
Yeah.
These ones are sweet. The dark ones are sweet. The bright red are
Yeah, we got the
sour.
dark one and then we got the red one. And Jimmy said that the red one is sour. And this one, meron siyang pinik. Pinik niya si Bear. We're back! At ito na po ang aming mukbang. Ayan po nakikita niyo yung nasa likod namin. Mukbang with Kutey.
Kutey!
Kasi parang hindi nakikita to. So ito po ang mga Kutey namin. Nakita niyo na po sila sa aming house tour. Kilala natin yung ating mga Canadian foods sa mga Kutey.
Yes.
Doon, ano nga yun? Yung poutine. We got the poutine. Yeah.
Okay,
And then, this one is the pizza, donair pizza.
Wow!
And then we also have ano to, pot pie, chicken pot pie. Okay, ready na tayo.
Yay!
Woo! Ready na. Sarap.
Oh, okay.
Sarap.
So,
Sarap. So yung poutine po, paano ba siya ginagawa?
slice Francis.
Yung poutine, it's like
French fries.
French fries, then
Gravy.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Yun. Number 1 po siya dito sa, is it Alberta?
No. Canada.
Canada.
Well,
It's like a
We
piece of-
consider it as national dish.
Yeah.
Kain po.
Kain po. Kain po.
Thank you.
Wow, ang sarap!
oh my God.
Laki naman ng slices.
All or nothing. Wala yung plate ko eh. Naliligaw nandun.
Jimmy, how's the liver?
Gusto mo bang iyan?
What's the liver?
There's liver on that. How do you like it?
No, there's no liver. No liver. Only liver spread. Yung donair naman, paano ba to? Bali, meron siyang donair meat, right?
Ay, doon.
Donair pizza.
Hindi, explain niyo yung doon.
Ano yung doon?
Ako, di ko rin alam. Search it in Google.
Copy the link below.
Webster's Dictionary, the facts. The joke lang.
Bali, kung may donair meat siya, yung donair meat niya is yung beef din, di ba? Beef. Parang siyang shawarma. Oo, parang siyang shawarma.
There you go. Small.
Hindi, ginawa siyang pizza. With the sauce.
So good! Oh my gosh.
Pero dapat sobrang laki yung subo.
Meron din po kaming ano yan.
Aris Caldo.
Kumbibita. Kumbibita. Malaki daw. Baka si Patrick.
Bali ko punta ba din? By the way po, mga Kutey, nandito po kami sa bahay ng aming friend. Jimmy and Jerome.
Hi to the camera.
Nahiya po siya.
Shy type.
If you remember Jamie po, he's in our other video.
Link down the description below.
Para matamis yung...
Up and downs kasi yung sauce.
Ah, talaga?
Kaya matamis.
Oh.
Kaya naman
Everyone
kanina
stirring
yun.
us.
Yun naman ako sa may arroz caldo.
Alin?
Yun naman, arroz caldo.
Arroz caldo from Canada.
Made by Canadian.
Hey, you want the piece first?
No, I'm done. I'm fine.
That's a huge piece.
Then break, huh?
Ay, yeah, you use
Ano ba nasa loob ng patpay?
chicken.
Chicken and
Peas.
then cheese.
Cream.
Oh, wow!
Oh, yum. And then
Oh my
put
God.
gravy on the
Oh.
cheese.
It has carrots on it and
Corn.
corn.
Ooh, bring it closer to the camera. Wow!
Wow!
The effect daw. Favorite ko yun.
Ano lagyan ng gravy?
Masarap. Natin gravy.
Your best joke.
So back in the Philippines, we have a thrift shop. It's called thriftersfits_ph. Check it out. We sell. Check it in Instagram. We sell thrifted clothes and old clothes.
Oh, nice.
Accessories too. And we have bags. Check it out. It's super cheap, guys.
We'll put the link below.
Just down the
And please check it
description.
out.
Make sure to comment down below and request for other stuff so
Yeah.
that they have ideas on what they can do for their YouTube.
And with also with them. With
Yeah.
us.
More mukbang with them.
Or other stuff. Naisip namin yung Canadian food para makita nyo kung ano yung mga
Kakainin nyo.
Yung
Mga
mga
kainin nyo pag pumunta kayo.
pag pumunta kayo dito.
Something to look forward to.
Yes. So Fiona, tell us your experience living here in Canada.
Yeah.
When I first lived here, I was very sad.
Why?
When did you arrive? Secret.
Okay.
I arrived on last December 17.
Winter
Wow.
time.
Yes, during winter.
They're actually her sister is Frances, and then the brother is Jared here.
I'm the
Comment down
brother.
below who you think is younger. At first, it was very hard. It made me very sad. Yes.
Say hi to your dad.
Papa, we miss you.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad. Father. Hi, Dad.
Mabigat yung patpay.
Yeah, patpay.
Bigat yung pot.
At saka yung pizza.
What can you say about the food, Fiona?
Amazing. Had so much fun eating the
Which one?
poutine.
Arroz caldo.
Arroz caldo too. The poutine. Because of the cheese chunks.
Yes.
Yes.
Really good.
But the chicken pot pie is also good.
Yeah.
Super creamy.
Parang
Like-
how about you,
Hell yeah.
Jared?
I like the chicken pot pie.
Hell
The
yeah.
best.
How about you, Jim?
Everything.
Which one is your favorite? Pot pie?
Pot pie.
This is
Her
our
first time.
ate.
Ate.
She's hiding.
Ate.
Hiding.
Guess how old she is. Comment down below and
Yeah.
guess how old she is. Below comment. So, ang dami nyo i-comment ha. Make sure na nandun lahat yung sagot.
Ito ako burner
Ay,
ako.
quiz. So,
Oh,
marami
burner
kami
ako.
tinanong
Sabihin ko
kanina.
12.
Check nyo lang. So, guess below how old she is.
Siya naman pinapagod.
28.
May libre po kayong top pag ano.
Pag nahulaan niyo yung taba.
Pag gano'n.
What's up with the shirt?
Come on, what's up with that? There,
I don't know, I bought this at
Rockstar.
Ganda nga. Pansin ko
Ordinary.
actually.
Gusto ni Kuya.
It's only how much? Guess how much is it?
$20.
$5.
Five.
Five.
5.
10.
Five.
3.
Lower than 10.
7.
7. 12.
4.
650.
Wait, 5. 5. Grabe, ang dami yung sinabi niyo mo kayo.
Guessing game. $8.
Ganda.
Sila, di ba student visa yung ano nyo? Pagpunta nyo. Sige, sa ano nyo, kwento nyo naman yung process.
Yun na yung part 2.
Yun yung process.
Okay na lang ako kwento.
Una-una, need makahanap ng school na i-accept ka as international student. So, that's how you start. Hanap ng mga school. Pero if you have may agency na tutulong sa'yo,
Consultant.
they have schools na they have somewhat
They
partnered with. And alam nilang mas maganda yung track record, mas madaling makapasok. Then, ayun, you apply.
They're all
Parang
student
nakaka-
visa po. And then when can you apply permanent residency?
You can apply after you finish school. So, of course, you have to pass. And then you can apply for your post-graduation work permit. So, I think if you you have to study for at least 2 years so that you can have the 3 years to look for a job.
Oh, okay.
And then, right? And
3
then,
months.
when you, I think you need to work for a year and then you can start applying for permanent residence.
Oh, okay. So it's like 3
But you
years.
need to work at a job that fits into the field that you studied. And it has to be, may ano parang may XO, parang may maganon, may qualification, yung sa NOC.
I think nakakatulong pag may agency.
Yeah, may
Grabe,
agency ba
sobrang,
kayo? Consult na
sobrang
ganun,
hindi.
consult
I think
na
sobrang
sabi
mas madali.
Kasi yun
Kasi
eh.
hindi.
Kasi
After
sila, they give everything. Tapos
They
ikaw,
give you
has
a
to
list
get
of everything you need.
Like nakalista
Naka-ano
na.
na siya.
Tapos di naman nila binabagsak lahat. They do it part by part. Ano yung kailangan right now. Tapos after no next. Ganun. So mas madali.
So, someone's helping you keep
Kasi sila yung, sila yung nag-ano eh. Sila yung
compile.
Oo, sila nag-compile. Bigay kami ng bigay. Oo, so yun lang yung alam.
Paano mo alam kung legit yung agency? Like, how you guys found your agency ba?
Di ba kalala ni Papa?
Well,
Kaibigan kami ni Tito Jem.
Yeah,
family friend.
the owner of the agency was a
Ano
friend
pangalan ng agency? Biglang plug.
R2R. R2R.
R2R.
R2R. IELTS.
Skinip na nila. Gusto makahanap ka ng school, may IELTS ka.
Oo. Ano na yun, parang basta yung part ng application for school, yun na yung mga, may mga nandun na yung mga documents.
Ah,
Kasi
kaya may
show money ba?
Dapat pwedeng wala, pero kung nagmamadali kayo, meron.
Pwede,
Show money.
siya kasi nag-show money siya ako yun.
Ano show mo?
Papakita mo
Pakita mo
magkano
yung
pera mo
pera ka.
para
That you have
as
enough
proof na
funds.
kaya mo itong i-expel.
Tapos kailangan mo rin magkapera ka dito.
Kailangan mo
show
yun nga.
money na parang nandito sa
Yun yung nangyari sa akin.
Enough funds to, ano?
Then nag-deposit, may dineposit na amount of money sa Scotia Bank.
Para ano?
Tapos babalik sa akin over the next year.
Oh, okay. Para just to show that you can
Kaya dalawa yung
actually
backup
fund
ako.
your education here.
So lahat ng bank statements, financial
Ano pa
statements,
pinuntahan
pag merong
natin?
magsusupport sa inyo, kailangan may letter, may relationship.
Hey!
Yes!
Tapos na aming mukbang. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa aming vlog for today with our friends.
Yes.
And please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, just please comment down below. And hope to see you on our next vlog with our friends. See ya! See ya!